It's still the leading EV OEM. It makes profits. The balance sheet is healthy, but
Which stock are you looking at selling right now?
well, this might be one that Chris won't agree with, but I'm looking to sell Tesla. All right. It's still the leading EV OEM. It makes profits. The balance sheet is healthy, but the core business is contracting. They're still deep in the price wars. Margins are contracting. Earnings are suffering. The valuation is still very high. I personally am a fan of Elon Musk, but the Elon Musk factor is pricey. It's expensive to buy the stock. And right now, the market is waiting and hoping for the next phase of growth. That may come soon, but I don't really expect to see any good news out of the EV segment without a groundbreaking development anytime soon because demand is just so poor and the price wars are having a big impact on the revenue. Also, they're spending more, trying to invest in that next phase of growth. It will likely pay off, but again, we're looking at 2 or 3 quarters probably before we start seeing it able to generate money from those advances, if even then. There's still no consensus among the analysts. The analyst sentiment is very mixed. There's a very wide range of sentiment targets from sell to buy, and the price targets are equally wide. So even if the stock doesn't move lower from here and stay lower, I expect to see significant volatility and not much upward trend in the action.
Chris, do you think Tesla's a sell right now too?
You know, I find it hard to say it's a sell, and I think I'll admit there's the Elon Musk factor there for me. He's been counted out so many times, and he tends to come back from the dead all these times. I think in the short term, it's hard for me to get behind Tesla stock. In the long term, I think a lot of the growth that investors are counting on is going to come from autonomous driving, and Tesla is leaps and bounds ahead of other companies in terms of getting that to market. But there's still a big if attached to that. Can they get that done? It's a stock that's it's always going to be very noisy. It's always going to be very polarizing. Um, I I can't say I disagree with Thomas's sell, but I would say to me it's probably one that you want to hold on to.
Just in case, right? Fear of
Just
missing
in case,
out.
right?
You never
Yeah.
All
know.
right.